today's recipe: chicken and veggie lollipop. Kids lunchbox recipe. Quick and easy to make. Let's get started. Oil, 1 teaspoon. Chopped long beans, 1 cup. Carrots, ½ cup. Stir. Frozen green chickpeas, 1/3 cup. Sauté 2 minutes. Done. Boiled potato, 1 cup. Shredded chicken to cup. Add cooked vegetable. Chopped green bell pepper, ½ cup. Chopped onion, 1 cup. Chopped chili, 2 tablespoons. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Honey mustard, 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Mix well. Done. Take an amount of chicken veggie mixture. Make a lollipop. All done. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown. Done. Put it in the paper towel, then absorb the excess oil. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.